Hello and welcome to the HiCAD short clips. This video is about deriving assemblies with subparts in the drawing management module. When creating the part and assembly drawings with the drawing management, the parts can now be derived with all linked documents such as production drawings, general documents, for example PDF, DXF or DWG files, as well as CAM data. The parts and assemblies can be derived within the existing drawing or into another project. Two new functions are available for this in the drawing management: derivation of the active assembly and selection via HELiOS. That means the assemblies are inserted from the other projects. In both cases, the parts are derived with all linked data. In our case, the drawings of the assembly with subparts have all been created and are up to date. Let's look at the first situation where an assembly is derived within the existing drawing. This is particularly interesting when already created drawings should be extended and edited. The active assembly is derived via this function and placed in the desired position. You can see that the derived parts have been given different article and document numbers. Also, the item numbers of the derived parts have been invalidated for the time being. Through automatic itemization with identical part recognition, all item numbers are updated. In the next step, all documents are updated via the automatic mechanisms of the drawing management. I will not show the details of the updating process right now. All part and assembly drawings are now up to date. Now we can make the desired changes to the derived frame. In this case, these are the holes on the front profile. Here, too, the automatic mechanisms of the drawing management are used to update the drawings, and, if necessary, new drawings are created. Let's now look at the second situation in which the assembly with subparts is derived into another project. With the function selection via HELiOS, the assembly, in this case the stage, is inserted from the other project into the active drawing. The procedure is similar. The assembly is then placed in the desired position. The invalid item numbers of the derived parts are updated via automatic itemization, and the documents are updated via the automatic mechanisms of the drawing management. Afterwards, of course, further changes can be made to the project as usual. That was our short overview of the new drawing management function, Derive assemblies including subparts with all links. Thanks for watching. See you soon.